Hi guys! So in this video I wanted to show you how to do those fun 3D flower nails for summer. So first we're going to start with our base color. And we're just going to paint 2 coats of this and dry it for 60 seconds after each coat. Now we're going to use the Macart Glux gel. This is what we're going to create the 3D flowers with. So I'm just taking a scoop out. And then we're just going to roll this gel out into a long line. And then from this line, we're going to split it into our 5 balls. So we're going to make 5 balls out of this. And you want to make the balls of similar size. Now we're just going to place all the balls on the nail. So you want 1 at the top, 2 on the sides, and then 2 at the bottom. Now we're just going to press each ball into the shape we want. You want to put more pressure on the inside part of the ball to create that nice flower look. You're going to do this for each ball. Again, more pressure on the inside of each ball. You also want to use a silicone tool for this, otherwise the gel is just going to stick onto your tools. And then you can go in and adjust any of the petals that you feel like need to be adjusted. Then we're going to dry that for 60 seconds. And now I'm using a gel palette. This is the MPA gel palette. But I'm using gel paint to create the design on top of the flower. So we're going to use this yellow to paint the petals. I'm going to paint all the petals yellow. I like to use gel paints when painting on top of 3D designs, especially 3D flowers. This is because gel paints are thicker than gel polish, and sometimes when you use gel polish, it's thinner, so all the gel will just fill up in the middle of the flower and it wouldn't spread out to the sides. Or it would look patchy as well. So now we're just going to be painting all of the petals. Now we're going to dry that for 60 seconds and then we're going to use these sponges to create a little ombre in the middle of the petals. So I'm using the pink to paint a little bit in the center of the flower. And then we're going to just dab the sponge on top of that pink and blend it out. And then I'm going to do this for all of the petals. You can also do this with gel polish. So you can put some gel polish in the middle of the flower, and then instead of using a sponge, you can use a small brush to blend it out. I just love this color combination. I think it looks so pretty and so summer-like. You can see here, I'm just using the corner of the sponge. And then once you've done that for each of the petals, you're gonna dry that again for 60 seconds. After that's dry, I wanted to add some dots onto this flower, so I'm using a reddish gel polish from Blue Sky. Just gonna add random dots all over the petals. And I like to add them towards the center of the flower instead of the edges of the petal. And then we're going to dry that again for 60 seconds, and then we're just going to add some stones. So I'm using the rhinestone glue from a cart, and we're just going to add a stone in the center of the flower to complete the look. And then we're just going to dry that again for 60 seconds and then top coat. So after you top coat, you're going to dry that again for 60 seconds, and then there you have it. Such a pretty summer flower. I love doing 3D flowers for summer nails. I think they look so pretty.